if I just put all the points together, so that means that there might be a promise in the chart, there might be a lot of yogas in the chart, but they will only manifest or they'll get activated when the dasha and the antardasha, mahadasha and all that will come. So, Ritu, can we take the next example, please?
Yes, sure. Means a short. Means I wanted to ask, like Ranu Mandal, we have all heard about. Like she was singing on the railway station, और एकदम से ऐसा क्या हुआ कि उनको वो short time fame मिला. Can we just put a little bit? Can we just discuss about it? I don't have a chat. It's just a thought which came in the mind. कि एकदम से उनको इतना छोटा सा फेम मिला, फिर अब कोई नहीं उनको जानता. हिमेश रेशमिया ने एक ब्रेक दिया, एक सॉन्ग गाया और बस now she's gone again.
So maybe there was an alignment. Maybe there was a temporary alignment in her horoscope. कोई अंतरदशाओं ने support किया होगा, कोई एक अच्छा planet होगा, and then there would be a promise from the transit also, and it got aligned, and then she got this huge fame for the time, for certain time, and then it got vanished somewhere. So it depends on what is there in your horoscope and what you are born to do. Everybody is unique, I would say. But this particular case, what you're mentioning, could be because of antardashas and something in the connecting it to transits. Or हमें पूरा chart होता तो we could talk more about it. But I think it's because of the dashas and transits together. Okay. So basically, dasha is the king, right?
Yes, dasha is the boss. Dashanath is the boss. Always and always he will be. So, okay, because time is running out and we have already exceeded our time. So, it's like coming on to our next chart. We have discussed one president and now a prime minister's chart will be discussing. We took this chart because it was like there was a change in career. It's none other than Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, because he was from a political background. Then he was not interested in this. He became a pilot, and all of a sudden he was pulled in politics. And then one fine day he was a prime minister. He served the country. So means can we throw little bit of can we tell little bit of things about Dasha, in which Dasha he became the pilot and then again he was pulled into politics.
So maybe Ruchira, you want to say something about the yogas in this chart?
I'll just start with that. So basically here again when we see his Chandra, his Janka Chandra was in Purva Falguni Nakshatra, which is the nakshatra of Shukra. So that is how we have the correlation that his Mahadashas have started from Shukra. So even his chart, we have a lot of yogas, a lot we can talk about. But the more prominent yogas, which I can see here right now, we have the 5th Lord Jupiter and the 10th Lord Venus, which are sitting in the Lagna. We have the 10th Lord Venus and the Lagnesh Surya, which is in the Lagna. And few events which are very important are here. That is in his Moon Mahadasha, he became a professional pilot. And in his Rahu Mahadasha, he entered politics. And in the year 1984, he became the prime minister. So Aarti, can you just tell us a little bit about these two Mahadashas in specific?
Yeah, definitely. There are lots of yogas. I would just say that he was exposed to politics right from the beginning when he was a child or he was a young adult. He was exposed, but he chose to fly. He chose to fly because और वो foreign गए पढ़ने के लिए. So Moon Mahadasha, Moon is the lord of the 12th house. 12th house is abroad, ashram and different things. But in his case, it was abroad. Rahu is bigger machines. When Moon Mahadasha was running, at that time also Rahu was in action because Rahu was sitting in that particular house. So he was exposed to politics. That's what I'm saying. But he chose to fly because Chandrama is also transport. Chandrama का जैसे हमने बताया quick जो है 2.5 दिन में राशि बदलते हैं. So if you look at pilot's career, any pilot's career, they travel to many countries, but they come back to the base, right? To the base city. So Chandrama की दशा में वो foreign में पढ़ने गए. Rahu is a big machine. He is born in Venus. Venus is also connected to aviation. So maybe that was his life purpose. The dasha that you are born in और वो दशानाथ कहाँ बैठा है, that sets the trend for your lifetime. तो चंद्रमा में जब भी राहु की वजह से उन्होंने फॉरेन एजुकेशन किया, फ्लाइंग से रिलेटेड एजुकेशन किया. 7th लॉर्ड है, 7th का को-लॉर्ड है फॉरेन, सॉरी राहु, एंड देन इट इज इन द फॉरेन हाउस व्हिच इज 12th हाउस. So that is why he got educated and he worked as a pilot क्योंकि 10th lord is also Venus, so we have to look at the 10th house as well for his career. उसके बाद राहु जो है वो उनके आत्मकार का है. जेमिनी एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से जो आत्मकार का प्लैनेट होते हैं उनके आपको मैक्सिमम कर्मास बर्न करने होते हैं उस प्लैनेट के. एंड फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियंस राहु इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अलॉन्ग विद सूर्य एंड लेट्स से कर्क राशि, चंद्र एंड सूर्य की राशि वगैरह, एंड इवन शनि in some cases if the politician is coming from public's choice completely. तो यहाँ पे राहु का जो उनका आत्मकार का होने की वजह से he got into politics during Rahu Mahadasha, and then he also was chosen by public. Rahu works as Saturn. Rahu is in Kark Rashi. Shani in Kark is seen in most of the politicians' chart. Here Rahu is in 4th Rashi, and he was also chosen by public, and he served as a prime minister to our country. और उसके अलावा तो सूर्य उनको वैसे ही राजयोग दे रहे हैं, फर्स्ट हाउस में है और अपनी राशि में है, इटसेल्फ इज अ राजयोगा. एंड जुपिटर इन द 5th राशि इज राज्य कृपा कारक. ऐसे बोला गया है ना कि किंग्स के जो बच्चे होते हैं बहुत सारे, उनमें से जिसका भी जुपिटर 5th राशि में है, सिंह राशि में है, तो उनको पोजीशन डेफिनेटली मिलती है. So that was also one of the reasons, and there must be transits, right, during Rahu Dasha also. So basically change of Dasha, change of direction and change of career was seen in Sri Rajiv Gandhi's chart, and I'm very humbled and very thankful to him and to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as well कि हमने उनकी horoscope आज पढ़ी. I hope and pray that their souls rest in peace. We have touched their horoscope today, so yeah, much respect to them.
So thank you so
Cool.
much. It was really wonderful, and we do have a lot of comments which are there, but where individual charts and date of births have been shared. But
Okay.
Yes, so please we would request that please get in
बुधवार,
touch.
Wednesday को they can do this, no? उत्तर मिलेगा आपको on Wednesday. You can ask your, and it's a genuine and it's a good session. I think other panel astrologers have done it, and I think that's the right place, right, to get all the answers.
Absolutely.
So today's अगर questions आज के topic से related है तो we can answer, we can take them up, but otherwise I think
No.
Okay. So it was a wonderful session, and is there any message that my friends would like to give on this day?
Siddharth Basu is writing. Yeah, we can. We have to. Yeah, we have a message, which was that should not compare yourself, yet be ambitious and aspire. There is no harm in aspiring, but अपने आप को blame भी ना करें, क्योंकि अगर कुंडली या दशा support नहीं कर रही है तो self blame करके ये सोचना कि I was supposed to do that and I didn't do that, and herd mentality is what I feel. कि कई बार ऐसे होता है we try to follow one mentality because somebody else has done it this way. I have to do it in that particular way, and not necessarily my horoscope or dasha system is saying that. So and freedom at all levels, freedom of soul, being independent financially, mentally, and otherwise. Choice of education सबको होना चाहिए. Like you guys are studying and explaining everyone astrology at this point, so like you, like me, everybody else should also get chance to study whatever they like.
So like I would like to say in the end, एक छोटा सा हिंदी का मैसेज है कि इंडिपेंडेंस मीन टू से स्वतंत्र, तो स्व का तंत्र समझिए और असली
Self realization.
यस एग्जैक्टली,
Self realization.
सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. आप अपने को समझिए इंस्टेड ऑफ पिन पॉइंटिंग थिंग्स हियर एंड देयर, कमियां निकालना और ये सब करने से बेटर है कि आप अपने अंदर अपने डेप्थ में जाएं, स्व के तंत्र को समझिए, और जिसने ये असली में समझ लिया उसको असली ज्ञान प्राप्त होता है. मीन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सीइंग अदर्स व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग, व्हाट दे आर नॉट डूइंग, अपने आप को देखिए, अपने आप को इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करिए, अपने आप को रियलाइज करिए, अपने पोटेंशियल के साथ आगे बढ़िए. द मोमेंट यू विल डू दैट, आई नो इट्स अ टफ थिंग, बट लेकिन ये हम सबको कोशिश करनी चाहिए, शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. और अगर जिस दिन हम लोग ने ये करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो उस दिन से हम लोग वी कैन अचीव एनीथिंग, राइट? सो इट्स अ स्मॉल message for everyone.